Guys, आज मेरे को एक रियलाइजेशन हुआ दैट आई हैव नेवर हैड पास्ता एट अ रेस्टोरेंट एवर बिफोर. मैं सोचा करता था कि यार पास्ता एक बहुत ही फेमिनिन फूड है, सो आई नेवर ऑर्डर्ड इट. बट टुडे आई चेंज माई माइंड. ठीक है, आई एम लाइक आई नीड टू ग्रो अप. मैंने घर पे एक बार पास्ता बनाया था विच टेस्टेड फाइन, बट आई हैव नेवर ऑर्डर्ड इट एट अ रेस्टोरेंट. अर्लियर शेफाली's favorite food used to be pasta, but she stopped eating it because of me. So today we are only going to eat Italian foods and we are starting with a pizza. This is Toto's Pizza, guys. पिछले vlog में मैंने दिखाया था. This has now become my new favorite pizza place. This time we've gone for extra chicken and just look at that peri peri pizza, yaar. The tomatoes, the fried onions and loads of chicken. Pizza in a box with Shefali. Let's start. Oh wow 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 wow. Feed me a bite. My hands are full.
Yum.
Fuck yeah. Today I realized that Toto's Pizza, which is a small outlet here, also has dining inside. Come chef, we'll sit and eat. Toto Pizza Dining. It's written over there. So guys, ये है Toto's का dining area. It is packed. And यहाँ पे पता नहीं अंग्रेज लोग क्यों हैं. Why are there so many whites here?
I know, maybe they like the pizza.
Maybe they like the pizza. Okay, so for pasta, I'm thinking we'll go to Chianti. Chianti is one of the oldest surviving Italian restaurants in Bangalore. I did happen to go there once, but I didn't order pasta, obviously, right? I ate like a chicken steak or something, and this was way back in 2018. So a long time back. What was your favorite pasta place?
Toscano was my favorite pasta place, and even truffles. And in both places, I like the red sauce, arrabbiata. One of the best pastas in Bangalore is truffles ka pinky pasta.
Pink sauce pasta.
Pinky pasta.
Pinky pasta. It's called pinky
Yeah,
pasta.
it's called pinky pasta.
It was made for Shefali then.
Or I don't know if it's actually called pink pasta and we have made it. I have made it pinky pasta.
That
'Cause
sounds
it's
more
cute.
like it, no? She changed the name to suit her cute preferences.
My best friend and I, we used to go there to eat pinky pasta and call it pinky pasta.
Who's your best friend? I thought I was your best friend.
I have a second best friend.
There is no such thing as second best friend, guys. If you ask me who's my best friend, I'll say fair and square Sehgal, not you.
Fuck you.
Our dates itself cost so much. 2 days back when we went to that Banpat Thai, it was what? 4K that day totally spent.
That's all.
Today again it'll cost some 3K at least.
That's all.
उससे 2 दिन पहले फिर से 3000 का बिल बना था.
With some other girl.
I wish. MG Road traffic देख लो यार. Signal वहाँ पे है and it's jam packed.
और
Good thing that you beat the traffic, bro.
I am faster than Usain Bolt.
Hussein Bolt, you made him Muslim.
No, he's not.
It's Usain Bolt.
Ah, okay, same thing. I'm faster than Lightning McQueen.
ये लो guys, ये रहा हमारा Chianti. After 15 minutes of walking, we have arrived. Let's see if we can get a place without a reservation. Chianti में seat मिल गई है. For a place which is as old as this, it does not look outdated at all, right? It's been around for ages. I feel like this is a great first date kind of a place, you know? Whichever girl I'm going to go on a date with next, I'll bring her here only. What happened? भाई मैं मेन्यू देख रहा था and literally एक भी आइटम मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा. Chef, can you please help me? What is antipasti? Do you know?
Pasta which doesn't have pasta.
What is zuppa? What is insalata? Can you please help? What is piatti? Guys, मेरे को chat GPT से पूछना पड़ रहा है कि क्या आइटम क्या होता है. No, oh, they have risotto. Do you want to try risotto?
Yeah, we've never tried risotto, right?
What is risotto exactly? It's like broken rice, no?
It's like khichdi.
इटालियन खिचड़ी भी ट्राई करेंगे. ऑर्डर हैज़ बिन सक्सेसफुली प्लेस्ड. वेटर की मदद लेके मैंने ऑर्डर किया. आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड 1 मीट प्लेटर जिसमें चिकन एंड लैम्ब आएगा, एंड देन आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड 1 पास्ता व्हिच वाज रिकमेंडेड बाय शेफ व्हिच इज अ फ्यूसिली इन
Arrabbiata sauce, tomato sauce. Basically.
arrabbiata sauce, and then we've gotten 1 risotto which is your international khichdi. Thank you so much. So that's lamb, that's chicken, that's 2 types of chicken. Lamb.
This is pesco chicken, sir. Barbecue chicken, chicken olio, and lamb chop.
Guys, if I see lamb, I'm gonna pick up the lamb. How do you think the lamb is going to be, chef?
Oh wow, that's a big piece.
It's a good chunk. It's a big lamb chop. Oh, good. Garlicky. You're gonna like it, right? How is it, boss?
Yums.
Yum, no? Really good. Okay, let's rank the best lamb chops. Number 1 we had was at Navu. We didn't vlog that day. Their lamb chops were like top.
10 on 10, bro. I loved it.
Too good. And then the second is going to be Only Place. And then this comes a close third. In the Hindi vlog, people have commented for us to talk in Kannada. So all my Kannada audience, I just have one statement for you. In Amman Sule Vuttu Sule Unde. Hey, Naman jal kara kai kai dak bidte ni nagli Naman agli ni Naman jati
YouTube
na
is gonna ban you.
Naman jati na kya ban marti yaar. Now let's try this grilled pesto chicken. Honestly, I'm not a fan of pesto sauce. I hate pesto sauce, okay? But let's see if this is any better. Okay. So I can tell that this chicken has been sous vide first and then grilled. Chicken is great, but the pesto sauce I'm not a fan of. And it should come as no surprise to you. I've already walked 21.5k steps, and by the time I reach home, I will finish 24-25 today as well.
Let's see mine. Wanna guess mine?
I'm gonna guess 7.2. How much is it? How much is it? Show. 6.6, sir.
Yeah.
What a disappointing girl. Why haven't you been walking
Because
lately?
unlike you, I have a job that requires my time for 9 hours a day. 9:30 to 6:30 precisely.
Clearly, your job doesn't pay for anything. So who gives a fuck about it? Guys, Meta, Google, please hire her. Guys, Shefali wants to get a job in Google. So if anybody here works for Google, please
Hit us up.
reach out to me and let's get her a job there, okay?
Yeah.
She's like, मैंने इतनी पढ़ाई करी, please Google में job दिला दो. शेफाली का resume बताते हैं, ठीक है? Engineering from PES University, Masters in Strategic Marketing from Cranfield University. After that, she has 1 year of work experience in sales and marketing. She's also smart and funny and pretty. So if you want female quota in your company, please hire her. And lately, she's been wearing a lot of sleeveless because those biceps are popping. Show your biceps.
Bicep.
That's actually pretty impressive. Not bad at all.
Those biceps are biceping. Triceps are triceping.
Do you think my arms look good?
Your triceps are not triceping, but biceps are.
She's making fun of my triceps because I have no triceps, guys. My arm is literally just bicep. That's a genetic thing, you know. My triceps just don't grow.
Excuses again.
Guys, main course आ चुका है. ये रहा मेरा pasta in arrabbiata sauce, and this is the risotto which we did not expect to be of this color. हम लोग सोच रहे थे यार risotto white color का होगा, but this looks like a butter chicken risotto. Do you think it's going to taste like an Indian dish?
It looks like bisiblebath. Do you know what is bisiblebath?
I know what bisibalebath is, but does the audience know what bisibalebath is? Can you describe it to them?
So bisiblebath is basically a Karnataka dish which is made of sambar powder, rice, dal, all mixed together. It's like a South Indian version of a khichdi, but with a lot of masala. We usually eat it with something fried, like fried chips.
For now, let's focus on Italian food. Let's try this risotto, which is looking like butter chicken risotto.
Fun fact, bisiblebath is also this colorful.
Bisibalebath is this exact color, guys. Same color.
I'm gonna think of it and eat.
Too hot.
Can't.
And it tastes like bisibalebath.
That's what I'm saying. It tastes like bisiblebath.
Yeah, it's like paying 700 rupees for bisibalebath. For now, let's try pasta. This is the main reason I was here for. The reason I opted for this arrabbiata sauce, the tomato sauce, is because it's lowest in calories. It honestly tastes like something I could easily make out of a packet.
Bro, that's how pasta tastes all around the world.
Okay. In the UK also, that's how it was?
Yeah.
Bro, it's nice that it's so hot and all, and it's tangy, but I don't know if Italian cuisine is for me.
Yeah, it's not for me.
Now, we don't want to leave with an upset face from this restaurant. So, to uplift our mood, we're gonna try the Italian dessert tiramisu. Alright? She's excited. She really likes a good tiramisu. But do you think Chianti will have a good tiramisu?
I really like anything in this world that has sugar in it. You give me a spoon of sugar, I will give it a 10 on 10.
ये रहा हमारा tiramisu. That looks like a very dense tiramisu. Too much cream, too dense.
I think it gets better once you go inside. The outer, there's a lot of cream.
Can you guys tell? That's a very dense tiramisu. One of the lightest tiramisus is in Konsu, Indranagar. Very, very light tiramisu.
That's meringue.
What is this?
Meringue.
Meringue.
Eat half and give half.
What is meringue?
It's made of egg white beaten with sugar. Give.
That was really nice.
Meringue.
Guys, that dinner costed us 4,000 rupees. Okay, it came as a shock to me as well because we didn't realize the meat platter was 1,700. So that bumped up the price quite a bit, and everything else was fairly priced, I suppose. Pasta 600, risotto 700, tiramisu how much?
500.
Tiramisu another 500. So
Okay.
okay. Anyways, guys, that's it for this vlog. See you guys in the next one.
Bye-bye. See you.